In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, launch your keyboard. When you finished, click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it and pick any of those themes to apply a perfect one. After finding your choice, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And to save it, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it with an image, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you finished, hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!